You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Monday, Chinese markets reacted ambiguously to Beijing's latest promises of economic stimulus measures. Despite the stated intentions to support the economy, the lack of specific details caused investors to disagree in their assessment of the situation. The mixed reaction at the beginning of trading set a negative tone for European markets as well. This week, investors are expecting the release of important economic statistics from China. In addition, attention is drawn to the meeting of the European Central Bank scheduled for Thursday, where a 25 basis point rate cut is expected. In turn, the UK will release an inflation report on Wednesday. Significant events of the week will also be speeches by representatives of the U.S. Federal Reserve Neil Kashkari and Christopher Waller, who comment on interest rate policy. Expectations of a significant Fed rate cut next month declined amid signs of resilience in the U.S. economy, which kept the dollar at a 7-week high against other currencies. Thus, this week investors are closely following the news from China, the decision of the European Central Bank and the statements of the Fed, which can have a serious impact on global markets. On the oil market, prices fell by more than $1 per barrel on Monday, losing over 1.5% amid weak inflation data in China and a lack of clarity about economic incentives from Beijing. This has increased concerns about a possible decline in demand. Data released on Saturday showed that deflationary processes in China intensified in September. At a press conference on the same day, specific figures on planned measures to support the economy were not provided. The consumer price index in China rose by 0.4%, which was lower than expected, and the producer price index decreased by 2.8% year-on-year, showing the fastest decline in 6 months, according to the National Bureau of Statistics. At the end of last week, Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States completed a series of 3 days of capital outflows, recording a net inflow of $253.6 million on October 11th. This day was the third largest in terms of total inflow. The inflow of $253.6 million fully offset the outflow of $140 million recorded between October 8th and 10th. This growth coincided with the Bitcoin rally, which rose 7.3% to its local maximum on October 11th. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.